Welcome to the virtual classroom of Ambuja Public School. Good morning children, this is Monica ma'am, your English teacher. I hope all of you are keeping fine. So yesterday we began the story Bamboo Curry, and in which I told you that this is a folk tale from a Santhal tribe and it is a picture story. So my dear children, before moving further, let's have a quick recap of the story. That in this story, one day a Santhal bridegroom goes to meet the mother-in-law. She cooks a bamboo curry for him. He finds it very delicious and so he asks that what have you used to cook this curry? She points towards the bamboo door. Next day when he was leaving for his village, he thinks that whenever in future I would like to have bamboo curry, how will I eat it, because there is no bamboo in my village. So he takes out the bamboo door, carries it to his village. Now let's see what happens next. When he reaches his village, he asks his wife to make the same dish with the bamboo door. Let's read. She was shocked. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door? Come, I'll help you by chopping up the bamboo, he said. Now here what is happening, when the man asked his wife to make the bamboo curry, she was shocked. Here you can see, look at her expressions. She is shocked at how she will be making the curry with this bamboo door. So very confidently he says, come, I will help you in chopping it, in cutting it, and then you can make the curry. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later when her husband tasted it, he said, it's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook. Now in this part what happened, that when the wife prepared the bamboo curry, somehow the husband sat down for eating it, but he could not because it was too hard to eat. So he said that you don't know how to cook. Your mother made the same dish with bamboo, but it was so delicious, but the dish cooked by you has no taste at all. In fact, it is very difficult to even chew it. So what happened next? His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. It's still too hard. I can't eat it. So now when the wife heard that the husband is saying that you don't know how to cook, she tried that maybe after boiling it again and again, it will become soft to eat. So she kept on adding more water and boiling it. But still it was very, very hard to eat. The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from the bamboo door? What happens, the same evening the in-laws came to his house and the daughter told the entire situation that had happened during the day. So the in-laws started laughing because the mother-in-law knew that the bridegroom did not have the complete knowledge of how to cook a bamboo curry. He just knew it that it was made out of bamboo. So she said that didn't you know the curry was made from a bamboo shoot. Shoot is the soft part of that bamboo that can be used for cooking and not from a bamboo door. So everyone laughed at his foolishness and they had a great fun, as he was the laughing pot for everyone because of his insufficient knowledge of something. So dear children, here the story ends. Now I will show you that how a bamboo curry actually looks. Here, this is a bamboo shoot. Here you can see the shoots of bamboo. Then this part is cleaned and peeled up and it is now ready to be cooked. And then it turns into a yummy dish like this. My dear children, the moral of the story is, that means what we learn from this story is, half or little knowledge is always a dangerous thing. In other words, we can say that insufficient knowledge will always put you in trouble. Now, how this happened into the story? That when groom came back to his own house, he asked the wife to cook. But he did not know that what were the actual ingredients or which part of the bamboo was used to make a curry. And he was telling his wife that she does not know how to cook. He was blaming the wife that she is not a good cook like her mother. So here it implies that because when you have less or some knowledge of something or on any matter, one feels overly confident, as the bridegroom did in the story. He just had half-baked knowledge. Even in real life, we can see that people with half knowledge or learning show to have a lot of it. Then those who actually have a true taste of it, they keep on pretending, they will show that they are very wise and intelligent. Story also, the bridegroom says, I will help you in chopping. Merely chopping the bamboo does not mean that he will be able to cook the dish. He was just telling that you don't know how to cook, and therefore he proved that he just have a little knowledge of the recipe of bamboo curry. He just knew that it is made out of bamboo, but of which part he has no idea. How it is cooked, he has no clue about that. So one should always have the complete knowledge of something before delivering it or before commanding something to someone. So here we end the story. That's all for today. Meet you tomorrow. Till then, read the story properly. Take care. Thank you and bye-bye.